summer, we began work with Scott Morris, our Undersecretary for the Judicial Code, to work with the Dean of Students' Office to change the Judicial Code of Conduct so that students from all academic units could represent each other in judicial proceedings. This means that now a law student or a member of VIMS or any other academic unit at the college can represent undergraduate students and vice versa in administrative and student panels. We've also been working with SLS to train law students to provide strong legal counsel strong counsel to students who are facing judicial proceedings.
And besides just expanding the pool of representation, we've also been trying to expand the power of that pool of representation. Some of you watching this video may know that 3Ls at the law school can actually practice law as long as they're being supervised by an attorney. So we actually, a week after we were elected, before we were even inaugurated, we got in touch with law students over at the law school in SLS and had a meeting with them that night at the Grind where we talked about how we could secure them money to get an attorney on retainer essentially and have them as an adjunct professor where they could supervise them and those law students could practice law under their auspices. This is great for law students because it gives them an opportunity to have real clients with real consequences in court. Great experience if you're trying to get into a law firm. And for everyone else at the college, especially undergrads who seem to be bearing the brunt usually of alcohol violations and that sort of a thing, it's great to have a committed team of law students working on their case completely free of charge that they can be open and honest with simply because they're almost more like their peers than a normal attorney.
Additionally, we've been working with Senator Ben Brown to implement a bill that was passed in the Senate recently to make sure that no Facebook evidence can be used in any judicial proceedings.